Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Minor partner. A contract with minor is void ab initio. However, a minor can be promisee or beneficiary. So, minor can be beneficiary to a partnership. Characteristic of minor partner. Not a partner. A minor cannot be admitted as a partner in a firm. Benefits of partnership. A minor can be admitted to the benefits of a partnership with the consent of all partners. Minor partners. Since a minor is not considered as partner, there must be at least two major partners to constitute a partnership firm. Rights of minor during minority. Share of profit property. A minor has the right to receive the agreed share of property and of profits of the firm. Accounts. A minor partner may have access to and inspect and copy any of the accounts of the firm, but not the books of the firm. Suit. Where he is not given the share of profits, he has the right to file a suit for share of the property or profit of the firms only if he wants to sever his connection with the firm. Liabilities of minor during minority. A minor cannot be declared insolvent, but if the firm is declared insolvent, his share of the firm vests in the official receiver or official assignee. Limited liability. A minor partner is liable only to the extent of his share in the profits and property of the firm. If his liability exceeds the share of profits and property of the firm, the minor shall neither be personally liable nor his private estate will be liable. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.